We're new into the market. We're not new as a company.
One of the big advantages of Mitsubishi Electric is we can supply almost the entire gamut of equipment that would be needed.
One of our strong points next to the quality is the understanding of how data center needs to be operated.
The end users now are getting heavily involved in the design and the procurement.
It's all about managing expectations, all about understanding the customers, what they actually want.
We can start very small and lean and go for a pilot, and from there get an approval and confirmation to go further on and scale the project.
Innovation doesn't need to be adding costs, it can also be simplifying the process.
We're in a very fortunate position as Mitsubishi Electric to be able to bring all that expertise to come up with a design that exactly fits the needs of the customer.
We think in every design step, how will this be operated? Can we still maintain it in a proper way? That's the added value that we bring. We think ahead